Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2623 indicates a malfunction related to the high-pressure fuel pump spill valve in the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. This diagnostic trouble code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) detects that the fuel pump is not responding as expected based on command signals from the engine's injector driver. Essentially, this means the high-pressure fuel pump fails to properly manage fuel flow, which can impair overall engine performance and fuel efficiency. When abnormal behavior is detected, the PCM will log this fault to help technicians identify the issue. The inspection for this code will focus on various components, including the high-pressure fuel pump, its associated relay, and the wiring that connects these parts to the PCM. Understanding the exact location and role of each component is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The high-pressure fuel pump is designed to maintain adequate fuel delivery to the engine, thereby ensuring efficient combustion and performance. This pump is critical for vehicles equipped with direct fuel injection systems, as it operates at high pressure to deliver fuel directly to the injectors. The spill valve is responsible for controlling excess fuel, returning it to the fuel tank when necessary to maintain optimal pressure levels. In the case of the DTC P2623, a malfunction indicates that there's a discrepancy between the expected and actual operation of this spill valve. The PCM, which is centered in the vehicle's logic system, communicates with multiple engine components, including the fuel pump and injectors. Diagnosing the issue usually involves checking the physical locations of these components, ensuring that all connections are secure and functionality is intact. In a Honda CR-V, the high-pressure fuel pump is typically found along the fuel line, accessible under the vehicle's rear, or in the engine compartment based on the design. There are several potential causes for the triggering of DTC P2623. The first and foremost is an issue with the injector relay. This component controls the power supply to the fuel injectors and can cause a cascade of issues if malfunctioning. Another significant cause could be disruptions in the wiring associated with the fuel system, including open or short circuits that inhibit proper signals from reaching the high-pressure fuel pump. If these circuits do not deliver appropriate voltage or control signals, the fuel pump will not operate correctly. Additionally, a faulty high-pressure fuel pump itself may contribute to this error code. It is essential to examine these components in detail during the diagnostic process, as the resolution often hinges on identifying the correct fault. When DTC P2623 is active, you may notice several symptoms affecting the performance of your Honda CR-V. Commonly, engine performance issues arise, including stalling, rough idling, or a lack of power during acceleration. These symptoms speak to inefficient fuel delivery caused by improper pump operation. Additionally, the vehicle may experience poor fuel efficiency as the engine struggles to maintain optimal combustion conditions with fluctuating fuel pressure. Another prevalent sign is hard starting. If the fuel pump cannot build sufficient pressure quickly, you may find it increasingly difficult to start the engine, particularly in colder temperatures. A keen observance of such symptoms can assist in isolating the problem and determine whether further troubleshooting is necessary. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2623 involves testing the injector relay. Start by ensuring that the injector relay is functioning correctly. This is a crucial component as it contributes to the control of power supplied to the fuel injectors. If the injector relay is found to be faulty, it must be replaced to restore proper operation. During this test, ensure that the relay is receiving signals and that it is able to send power to the necessary circuits. If issues are detected during this inspection, remediate those problems before proceeding to the next diagnostic step. In the second troubleshooting step, For DTC P2623, you need to inspect the external circuits, including the lines going to the injector relay and fuel pump. This can involve checking wiring integrity, ensuring that there are no open circuits or shorts that might interrupt the signal flow. Use a multimeter to test for continuity and voltage along the wires. Improper connections or damaged wiring can often lead to malfunctions in the fuel system. Should any issues arise during this inspection, repairs must be made immediately. Ensuring good connections and repair of any damaged wiring is critical for ensuring that the fuel system functions properly. The third step in addressing DTC P2623 involves checking the high-pressure fuel pump and its associated solenoid. This requires disconnecting the pump and performing a solenoid function test to confirm its operational status. If the solenoid fails to demonstrate proper function, with related resistance readings indicating a malfunction, this indicates that the fuel pump itself may need replacement. Proper functioning of the solenoid is paramount, as it ensures that the pump can adequately control fuel flow based on engine demands. Technicians must rectify any faults found in this component to resolve the DTC. The fourth step involves inspecting the powertrain control module, PCM, after ruling out prior components as potential causes of the DTC P2623. The PCM governs many engine functions, including target fuel delivery, and a malfunction in this unit can result in various issues across the fuel delivery system. Ensure that the PCM is receiving accurate inputs and is functioning correctly. Testing the PCM usually involves checking its programming and performance metrics to confirm that it correctly processes data from sensors and relays. If a fault is confirmed in the PCM, it will require replacement to restore proper operation to the fuel system. After completing all necessary repairs related to DTC P2623, it is essential to perform a final verification to confirm that the repairs were successful. Begin by conducting a test drive of the Honda CR-V, allowing the vehicle to reach various operating conditions, including different speeds and loads. During the test, monitor the engine's performance closely for any signs of the previous symptoms associated with the malfunction. After the test drive, check the onboard diagnostic for the reoccurrence of the DTC. If the code does not return, you can conclude that the issue has been addressed effectively. This verification step is critical to ensure that no underlying problems remain unaddressed, reaffirming the reliability and performance of the vehicle. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P2623 and ensure the long-term reliability of your Honda CR-V, regular maintenance is key. Conduct routine inspections of the fuel system, which includes checking relay function, wiring integrity, and the operation of the fuel pump and solenoids. Early detection of wear or malfunctions can save on costly repairs down the line. Additionally, addressing minor repairs promptly before they escalate contributes significantly to vehicle performance and safety. Keeping records of all inspections and maintenance helps track the vehicle's health over time. In summary, troubleshooting DTC P2623 requires a systematic approach to diagnose and repair high-pressure fuel pump issues. Focusing on key components like the injector relay, circuits, fuel pump, and please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.